Told y'all I was gonna bring it back once we headed over to my boy Big Red shop. Sounds by the pound. Probably seen him on Instagram and all that stuff, but finally out in traffic, man. Had an issue with my fans. They wasn't kicking on, so we got them re-ride. So just giving it a little stress test. We take speakers over there so he can go ahead and start building the pods for it. Once we get back to the shop, I'll check back in, do a quick little video, show y'all a preview of what we got going on, the interior choice that I went with, and let y'all see how it's going. So appreciate y'all checking in, looking at the last video. Like I say, man, I'm trying to be more active going into the end of this season, and let's bring y'all some more content, man, that, you know, ain't no clickbaits, ain't no goofy stuff we got going on, man. It's just gonna be some real car stuff, and getting back to the page, man. So I'll check in with y'all in a second. A few moments later. All about that old school life, though. Shit happens. We'll figure it out. Get back out of here. Well, we ain't making it in the Regal, but just pulled up my boy Red shop. At least the truck ain't put me on the side of the road. See what he got going on in here. Clean, but Chevelle. Bust down. Oh yeah, that lets look good in there. He's taking it to the shop and he ain't got his own car that he like to play with. Might be a red flag, but Red got the dunk right. Carlo, big block. Got some shit in the works. Let's see how it go. Finally got her up to the Red, man. So, about to get started on the build. Show y'all the preview of the audio we're gonna have going in there. And let's see, man. It's a Crunch the Whip Addict show. Whole city getting ready, so if y'all ain't out, go ahead, get your tours ready, man. Get on their ass. Get out this shop October 8th. But yeah, I'm excited about this one. Gonna start on the interior, do the music, and let's see if we can knock it out in what, 8 weeks? So check back in with me later on, man. I'll show y'all some of the progress and we'll go forward from there. Full JL set up. We'll see what it do, man. Hopefully I'll come out sounding good. Got 3 10W6s, 2 sets of C3s going to door, dash, and rear deck. Running amps. So see how it all come out. Probably won't do nothing crazy. Do a little bit on those. We'll see how it go. Probably do the retro radio so we ain't gotta do a center console. Get this old material up out of here. But I definitely got some toys up here though. Probably be the material we end up going with. Super clean. It's like a deep burgundy. Let me show y'all the clean one. Kind of like that King Ranch style marble. So you're gonna do the whole guts and wrap everything in. Yeah. check back in with y'all, let them know how it's going. I'll update you in a little bit. I already got the bus down. Shout out to my boy Red, man. So, we'll see how it go. Stay tuned for the next little clip. Try to get it to where, you know, y'all get to see what's going on. But I'm gonna drop this video before we complete, and then I'll do another one when we do